everyone, my name is Kendrick and welcome to Travel and Live Free. In this video, we're gonna cover my country number 43 to visit every single country in the world, and that country is Hungary. Hungary is one of those countries that I had no intention of visiting, but I knew that as a country collector that I would have to go there at some point. After my trip to Poland, one of my friends that was also traveling in Poland at the time told me that he was going to go to Hungary. And because he was going there, he said, why don't we go there together? We ended up taking a bus from Krakow all the way to Budapest. And from there, we took the train to the central part of the city where we would be staying. However, my friend decided to go stay at an Airbnb. And unfortunately, that first day that he wanted to stay at Airbnb, he wasn't sure if the person that was renting out the Airbnb to him would allow a second person to come and use the Airbnb property that he rented. So for the first night, I decided to stay in a hostel. And at first, I wasn't sure if this was a good decision or not. But the next day, when I planned on doing a city tour of the city center of Budapest, turns out it was a great idea because I made a friend. His name's Abdullah and he's from Oman, and we decided to go explore Budapest together. One neat thing while we were exploring Budapest was that they had this show that was going on, which was some aerial demonstration, which was pretty cool. So it was happening in the center of the town and we got a chance to watch it. And when you travel and you get a chance to see a special event happening, it's always a nice moment. We also got a chance to see many of the major buildings that was in Budapest, and overall it was a pleasant trip. Although I would say, even though it was a pleasant trip, I don't know if I'll ever go back just because it was just for me one of those countries where I'm gonna go there, do a quick city tour or just check it out real quick and then go out, because I'm not a big city person per se, but if you are a big city person, I think you would like Budapest. It's definitely a lot to offer in that city. Anyways, very quick video today because this is just one of those quick visits that I made in the country of Budapest. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. And don't forget to sign up to the Travel and Live Free newsletter where you can get a 10-step cheat sheet on how to travel around the world. You'll also get the latest tips and strategies on how to save money on travel for Canadians, how to go on a around the world adventure travel for Canadians, and how to use travel to get more freedom in your life as a Canadian. You can sign up for the newsletter in the description below. Until next time, I'll see you then.